Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation and demonstration of ClassDojo. ClassDojo is an educational technology company used by teachers, children, and families. Um, ClassDojo connects primary school teachers and students and families through communication features such as messaging that can be translated into more than 35 languages to ease language barriers between parents and teachers. ClassDojo enables teachers to note feedback on student skills and create a portfolio for students. Teachers can also use ClassDojo to mark attendance, start a classroom discussion, and much more. To use ClassDojos, teachers register for a free account and create classes with their students. They can give student feedback for various skills in class. These are customizable and teachers can change the skills to adapt to the needs of the class or of the school. Teachers have the option to post pictures and videos onto their class story or to the school story. They can also message with families receiving read receipts to know when their messages have been read. Students do not need to download ClassDojo or create an account. If they want to, the student or the teacher can send an access code to the student if they want to create a ClassDojo account. After creating an account, the student can customize their avatar, add photos and videos to their portfolio, and view the story for each of their classes. ClassDojo is available as a web application that can be used on any device with a web browser. It can also be accessed as an app for iPhone and Android. The company keeps ClassDojo for free for teachers, so no child is at a disadvantage regardless of their school. To create an account for ClassDojo, you just look it up and go to sign up. You have 4 options here. I chose teacher. I already created an account. But when you create an account, you can link the school that you're going to be attending or teaching at. I'm not a part of one, so say I want to use this in the future. I go to join a school, and I can search my school that I'm going to be working at and add myself to their roster. Here you can add a new class, but I already created one, but there's also a demo class here, so we'll go into that. This will be like my main classroom. Here you have all of your students. You can add a student, say one joins halfway through the semester. You can look up their name. If you were part of the school directory, the name would pop up, but here we'll just add him, and now he's a part of our class. And then you can hit connect families, send a link to their parents, and now they're connected to ClassDojo as well, and you can message them. You can mark attendance right here. So Jennifer and Justin were out today. You can save attendance. Now you know who's in class. When you click hold class, you can give feedback to all the students. So say all the students were on task today. Now they get 1 point for that. Say one student is doing really well with teamwork. You can add that, and all of the parents can see this when you're adding their points. All these down here, the big ideas tab is a really good one. You can start different conversations with your classes, and it gives you a bunch of different prompts to choose from to start these conversations. When you go to portfolios, you can see everything that is created. Like I created a reading assignment. It gives you activity ideas, so you're going to create an activity, and they're going to do math worksheet, and they'll have to do, let's say, solve problems 1, 2, and 3 tonight, and they have to show a video of them doing their homework. And the whole class is assigned to it, or you can just assign one, so we'll assign it to Jennifer, and you can assign that to a student. The class story, that's where you can upload different pictures, videos, or files throughout the day. So today we did math problems 1, 2, and 3. And now if the student was out for the day, they can see what they have missed for the day. And then the messages tab right here is how you can connect to all the parents. These aren't real, so I can't show you how to connect to families. And then student login here, that's how you would send the different access codes to all your students that have created an account. And then groups tab, you have table 1, table 2. You can create more groups. So table 1 has 3 students in it. And that's how you can assign group work, or you can award the group for being good, so they were working hard today. There's a lot more to show, but I can't access too much of it. But thank you for watching.